Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to continue our chapter 10, Money in Everyday Life. In the previous class, we have discussed about the loss and the profit. We have discussed earlier about the cost price, selling price, and the overhead charges. Now, in the previous class, we have discussed the two formula of profit. One is profit and another is loss. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Profit is there when selling price is minus cost price. So we have three quantities is there. Now if you want to find out the selling price, what is the formula? If profit will be there, selling price equals to cost price plus profit. So when profit is given and cost price is given, we can find out the selling price. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. When we have to find out the cost price, then selling price and profit is given, so formula is selling price minus profit. From this single formula we can derive the two formula. One is for selling price and one is for cost price. Cost price equals to selling price minus profit. The next formula we have discussed previous class is of loss. Loss equals to selling price minus cost price minus selling price, CP minus SP. This is the formula of loss. So we have to find out the selling price. When loss and CP is there, selling price equals to cost price minus loss. When loss is there and cost price is there, we can find out the selling price. What is the formula of selling price? Selling price equals to cost price minus loss. When loss is given and selling price is given, we can find out the cost price. The cost price equals to selling price plus loss. So from this single formula we can derive the two formula, that is for selling price and the cost price. Again I am revising it. When profit equals to selling price minus cost price, when selling price is there, when cost price is there and profit is there, we can find out the selling price. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. When selling price is there and profit is there, we can find out the cost price. What is the cost price formula? CP equals to selling price minus profit. Next formula is loss. Loss equals to cost price minus selling price, that we have discussed earlier. When loss is there, cost price is there, we can find out the selling price. So the formula of selling price equals to cost price minus loss. When cost price is, we have to find out the cost price. If selling price and loss is given, what is the formula? Selling price plus loss. From this two formula we can find out this fourth formula. So we are going to take some questions of exercise 10.2 of your book and we are discussing to solve it. From this formula we are going to solve the question of exercise 10.2 of your book. Now question number B, we are going to discuss question number B. B, we have to find the selling price. We have to find out the selling price. First question we are taking, cost price is given to us, that is rupees 145, and profit is given to us. What is the profit is given to us? Rupees 15. So selling price we have to find SP. When cost price and profit is given, the formula is cost price plus profit. This is the formula. We have did did earlier. Cost price 145 plus profit, it is rupees 15. So if we add both, we got 10, carry one of 5 and 1 6. So the answer is 160 rupees. In this way we can find out the quotient. When cost price is given, profit is given, we have used the formula selling price equals to cost price plus profit. Cost price is given to do rupees 145, profit is given 15 rupees, then we add, the answer is 160. We will take another example, question number 3. Cost price is given to us, profit is there, but the most important thing is overheaded charges. Overheaded charges are there, 415 rupees. Profit is of rupees 21. Profit is of rupees 21 and overheaded charges. Overheaded charges, as we discussed earlier, it will be a part of cost price, rupees 85. So first we have to find out the total cost price. Total cost price is rupees 415 plus the overhead charges will included in this cost price. So we have write down 85 rupees. When we added 415 plus 85, we got the answer 500. So when 500 is the total cost price. Now the selling price. Cost price plus profit. So this is the formula we have read earlier. So the cost price, total cost price is rupees 500 plus profit is rupees 21. So the answer is rupees 521. In this way we can find out the quotient. Now we will do another example, another question C for finding the cost price. For finding the cost price. This is question number C of your book, exercise 10.2. C, find the cost price. Two formulas are there for finding the cost price, which we have earlier. Cost price equal to selling price minus profit. When profit is given to us, we use this formula. Cost price, selling price plus loss when loss is given to us. So these two formulas are we have to find. Now we will take question number 1 for finding the cost price. Selling price is given rupees 105. Loss is given to us rupees 12. So using both these formula, we have to find out the cost price. Formula is cost price, selling price and loss is there, so we use this formula. Selling price plus loss. Selling price plus loss 105 rupees plus loss 12 rupees. So what is the answer? 105 plus 12, 117. So cost, selling price is given, loss is given, we use this formula for what? Finding the cost price. CP equals to selling price plus loss. Selling price is 105 rupees, loss is 12 rupees. When we add, we got 117. Now we do the question number 3. Question number 3 is there. Selling price is there. Selling price is 176. Here we have loss. We are using actually doing the question number 2 where profit is there. So it will change. Profit of rupees 12. Now we have to find the cost price. CP, SP minus profit. SP minus profit. So selling price 176 minus profit is 12. 176. The answer is 164. The 164. So in this way we can find out the answer. The selling price, we have to find out the selling price. Question is given, selling price is given 176, profit is given 12. What is the formula? Cost price equals to selling price minus profit. The selling price is 176 rupees and we have to minus 12. What is the answer? 164. In this way we can do the question. Now what is the homework for today, student? You have to do question B and question C of exercise 10.2. You have to do question B and question C of exercise 10.2. That's all for today. Thank you, students.